Hello my people, I don't come again. No, my people, thank you for coming to this channel again. So my people, as I dey holla for you, to you people now, to know what is happening right now in Lagos State right now. My people, Ladipo just dey catch fire. Ladipo market in Lagos State just dey catch fire. Well, this our brothers Igbo Biafran people full the shop everywhere na fire. The shop is catching fire. The market everywhere, all their load you don see Ladipo market in Lagos State. So my people, this thing no be small thing, as it dey happen for our people, our Biafran brothers. Abeg, you know say Nnamdi Kanu dey talk and see say make we dey get our own business for home, for our own side, because all this thing wey they wan make we divide, they wan make everybody go see all their shops, big things full there. Everything wey burn now na money. Abeg my people, this thing no be small thing. Abeg, I don tire. People dey cry, they no know what to do. I don't know, no fire. Even I'm just tired for this country wey they call Zoom, this ogbonge country wey they call Zoom. I'm tired for am. My people, see our people, they go suffer. Person go suffer now to enjoy. The shop go start dey catch fire. The stop today this early morning, this morning as me and you dey talk, there's so fire dey burn. This morning as me and you now dey talk now, na so fire dey burn for Ladipo. The thing everywhere is catching fire everywhere. Na so everybody now they want. Na so they pull. The fire is burning more inside. So everybody, some people try and pack their load fast, pack their things comot. My brother, my sister, it's not easy. We need to pray for all this our country. Abeg, so all this our brother will suffer after suffer everything. All the whole one day na so fire go come, na so the fire will start. And no even the cold country wey they call Zoom, I don't know what is be their job. They no even get the kind of work where we say the people will go even come quench the fire. No way. This kind of country, I don't tire for this country. I no understand. Now make me at the beg, make them give us our Biafra. I don't tire. Make all this my brother where they suffer all this suffer. Make them kukuma go. Make everybody go. Make we go our country, go our place. Look at today again. Today, see Ladipo. People go is burning. So it's latest news I'm giving you people now. What update the thing that is happening right now, this morning, this Owenge morning. So my people, I say make I show now. May not be like saying only me see am. I say make I show my people where they like to watch my video, where they like to hear what me and they talk. So my people, I say as they catch fire, so now some people even as they catch fire, now some people say go see they steal for inside. They no even care. Look at people shops. Look at people things. Look at people many million where they inside that shop. It's catching fire. Their shops, everything. People, which kind of thing is this? It's not good. No good government, bad government. Every time people will suffer, work very hard after everything. Now so okay, look at now these people they come. Their fire self, the water where they pour self, I don't know, they don't even put the chemical to burn the fire, let the fire quench. They will not. I don't know what is wrong for this country. I'm telling you, my people, I'm just tired. I'm tired for this country, for what is happening to people. People will suffer after suffering, after all the whole suffer, everything they will start from beginning again. Nothing. They will start from beginning. So my people, I beg, make they pray for our brothers. Make they pray for our brothers for the things where they happen. Make they pray for them, because this is going so much bad. I'm not just happy. You understand? All these my Igbo brothers, all those my Biafran brothers, the thing is touching me so much. Please, my brothers, no not take heart. You understand? But we need to get sense. Make they open all this kind of thing for our side. Make they open all this kind of thing for our own side. Go east, go Imo, go Anambra, go Enugu, Aboni, many places. Let's open all those things, because we don't see say all these people now they use idea. They tell us say moku they come out, more no dey that side. I beg my people, I beg. Now so I bring this news as they happen, as they hot. I say make I dey throw am for now. Make una dey see wetin dey happen. Make una dey see as the thing dey be. Now your girl AB Media, where they like to bring ogbonge story, they come every time. The special news, any news where they happen, na so I go dey give una. My people, God bless una. Now this my brother, they throw away for now. Everything.